Alright, so now that we've got audio dealt with, let's get to like the video making part of this video. So it seems like the most common tool that people use to make video is to use, well, this thing right here, OBS Studio. So like anybody who doesn't know what the heck they're doing, a beginner's guide is recommended. So I just went to Google, searched up the first thing that popped up, and well, this is the first thing that popped up. So I watched this video and I got OBS. So I'm going to show you basically how to, start using this. Oh yeah, this is just the cover for my Rode mic, and that comes off it by default. This is the default, not using it right now. Anyways, so on the screen right here, this is the OBS capturing device. And I had to figure out, alright, how do I get this to like work? So apparently the first thing you need to do is you need to go down here to the where it says display capture. Normally speaking, when you open this won't be here. What you have to do is you have to either go to, I think it was settings, no, not settings. You want to go to add, yes. So you want to go to add. So what you're going to do is you want to go to what you want to, record, I guess. The guy in the video says you want to do display capture for like videos like this where you're recording, and if you're streaming, you want to do game capture. Since I'm doing a video, I click display capture. So once I click on display capture, what will happen is this window will show up, and basically the guy said if there's multiple monitors down here, you can select basically what you want for like the monitor you want to use to record from. If you have multiple monitors, you'll be given an option to like record from a second monitor, and that's where you basically kind of use for like your other monitor. So over here you have like your audio, and since right now I'm taking my audio from my camera, I guess this really doesn't matter, and there's no sound coming from my computer right now, so that's fine as well. Also, I don't have a mic hooked up to my laptop, so that's fine too, so it's not a big deal. But what the guy suggested was you have to like go into settings, and you want to go into properties, and over here you can like click the device for like where your audio comes out of, and also for like your mic setting, at least you can go to settings again, go to properties, and you can click what mic device you have to be able to like record audio. I don't have any of it, so it doesn't really matter for me, so I leave it as is. So the biggest thing for me that I found confusing was like over here we're not going to use the start streaming button, we're going to use this button. So right now it says stop recording, but when I'm not recording it will say you can start recording. So this goes back and forth. The thing that I got confused was when I was using it, I would hit start recording, and then I stopped recording, and then I was curious to go like, where is my videos being saved, because it didn't say where I was being saved until the guy in the video told me that if you go down to here to settings, and if you go down to output, right over here where it says recording path, you can actually designate where you want the files to be saved. Lo and behold, I saved it to like somewhere else and I couldn't find it, so that's why I switched the path to like somewhere on my desktop, and my videos are now there, which is great. It's perfect, works well. And yeah, I mean that basically is like the process of me capturing my video right now. I mean, there are other things you can do here that you can play around with the settings, but like I don't need to deal with any of this because I'm not really streaming right now, so it doesn't really matter to me. I mean, it's something you can like play around with if you really want to. Watch a different video. I'm not the guy for this. I'm just the guy trying to figure this all out. So, I mean, yeah, like right now I have my, OBS recording right here. And yeah, I mean, I'm probably gonna like go into the next phase of this video, which is I'm gonna try to like figure out how am I gonna get this, video I have here on my screen into, a format where this is the video and my head's over there.